I am Dr. Deborah Finch. I'm a science program manager leading the Grasslands, Shrubland, and Desert Ecosystem Science program of the Rocky Mountain Research Station. I manage about 15 scientists and a group of professionals and technicians and administrative staff as well. I continue to do assessments of research findings, and I like to lead my scientists in certain directions by getting them involved also in these assessments, such as on sagebrush, sage grouse, or climate change, or grassland ecosystems. Well, when I was a small child, I ended up being very close to a creek, wading in, climbing trees, collecting frogs and pollywogs and so forth. And I ended up becoming a riparian ecologist and a wildlife biologist who looked at birds, studied birds for my PhD, and continued to study birds and other animals and plants in riparian ecosystems. A riparian ecosystem is a terrestrial ecosystem associated with a river or a stream, and very diverse habitat with lots of birds and other species. You know, I've actually had a lot of mentors, and one I'll mention, his name was Mike Lennertz, and he brought me into an evaluation of neotropical migratory birds, and I helped to introduce a new program called the Neotropical Migratory Bird Conservation Initiative, and it became Partners in Flight, which is just about everywhere now, including in South America and Canada and throughout the US. And so that's one of my most notable accomplishments, is the introduction of that program to several different collaborative agencies.